Hi, I'm going to show you how to start and to record a Google Meeting. You have to be the owner or host of the meeting in order to record it. So go to your Google Icebox tray up here and go to Google Meet. You can also schedule a Google Meet to your calendar and get there that way. Okay. I am going to start a new meeting called Record. Hit continue. And in a second, I will join it. Join now. Okay. I don't want to add anyone. And at this point, I could present my screen. And keep in mind that a little picture-in-picture screen of your camera will continue even though you're presenting your screen. So you're still on camera. And down here you have these three little dots. And if you hover over them, it says More Options. Click on it. And your very top option is to record a meeting. Now you'll want to wait till you have to give permission or click agree to say that you have permission to record the meeting. And then you'll want to actually wait till it starts recording before you start your presentation in order to get all the information recorded.